Okay, we're back. Third day, finally. We waited 2 days for these valve cover gaskets, so they're here. I got valve covers getting degreased. Those should be cleaned up in about 10-15 minutes or so. What I'm going to do now is install the lower pulley, the belt, the wheel liner, the wheel, get the truck down, and then start buttoning up the top side, get fluids in it, and get it done. I think we left off at like 14-15 hours, so hoping maybe another another 3 hours, and we'll be done with it. Good truck regardless. Just, man, what a hassle. Okay, so I'm gonna cue a song real quick, and it goes like this.
It's so hard. Can we skip to the good part?
So we're gonna skip to the good part. I actually, yesterday, I came out and I did 5 hours on it last night, right after that clip that I just posted previous to this one. I got in the zone and just was putting stuff back, cleaning stuff up. Before I knew it, it was 11 p.m. and I'm like, whoa, I didn't even record anything. So kind of jump forward to where we're at. Got the whole top end done, buttoned up. Crank pulley belt is all on. I haven't put the liner in just in case when we start it up, it has a leak somewhere that we have to address. But we're down literally to like the last maybe 2 hours. And it's one of those, while we're in there, replace this, do that or the other. So last night, I stopped at 11 because I actually had broken a hose clamp down there at the thermostat. So I had to fix that. Then while I was already here, this positive terminal fuse block had already shown signs of wear. And I had this on a shelf for so long, from like 2 years ago, that my wife kept telling me, put it on. So the day finally came. So I'm going to jump to the good part and wrap it all up. It's already got oil in it. Get everything buttoned up, get it down, and go to start it. Okay, we have the new positive battery terminal hooked up. Air filter is on. We're not going to connect the battery just yet. What we're going to do next is, because we were in there servicing the whole cooling system, we're actually going to pressure test it to make sure that we don't have any leaks anywhere. Well, what we'd hate to do is go put, each one of those gallons is $20. We'd hate to go put all that coolant in there and we have a leak somewhere, and then we have to drain it and, spend money twice. So these caps are rated for 16 PSI. This tool here, we're going to pressurize the system to 16 PSI. And if it holds and doesn't move, then we know our cooling system is completely sealed. And we can take this off and then start putting coolant in it. Okay, so I've put compressed air in the cooling system, and we are in the 15 to 16 PSI block. And what we don't want to happen is for that needle to drop. So I can already tell you from experience, this is not dropping, and I did a good job. Thank you, because I did not want to be in there again. So we'll let that sit for a couple more minutes. I'll go ahead and start putting the cover on, clean everything up, start putting coolant in it, and fire this thing up. Okay, I did hate it, but now I like it. No, I never hated it. It was just something new, something different. We're going to call this job done. It is 100% done. I've already started and cheated, so just to make sure we didn't have any other leaks. We are good to go. So it is 11. We are literally at the 21 hour mark. It took 21 hours to do this job, is what I'm going to say. So we're good. Now she needs a good wash. Cool. So the job is done. On to other projects. Driving. Ignore the twitching, that's just a LED signal.
You didn't put the blow off valve?
No, I didn't do the blow off valve.
Should have looked for it.
Oh, and the good thing is we didn't have any bolts left over, so that means I did it right. Well, some would say that if you have bolts left over, you did it better.
That's right.
That's right. Cool. Thank you everybody for watching. Let me do this little weird. Okay, the last clip was not the way we end the video. This is how we end it.